Hello, and welcome to the first talk with TRIAL International. This conversation is part of a series of short talks on human rights to celebrate the 20th anniversary of TRIAL International. I am François Barre, AIJA's Immediate Past President, and today I'm glad to speak with Elsa Taquet, Senior Legal Advisor at TRIAL International. Bonjour Elsa.
Bonjour François, good to see you again.
Same here, Elsa. I would like to start with a simple question to present TRIAL International to our audience. Could you please tell us what you do?
Yeah, so TRIAL is an international NGO. We're based in Geneva, and we're trying to fight impunity for mass atrocities and help the victims in their quest for justice. We're one of those rare new generation NGO that don't focus on monitoring human rights violation and advocacy work, but we also try to investigate on the ground and then file legal complaints and go all the way with the victims. So we work with different domestic jurisdiction and international bodies in order to do that.
Thank you, Elsa. And how does TRIAL International aim at lasting impact on the fight against impunity?
Yeah, well, so we have two ways to try to create a more direct and more lasting impact for the victims, first of all. So we accompany them in the different legal complaints. We try to prove that impunity is not always the rule and that justice can happen even in different complex contexts. In countries like DRC or the Gambia or Syria, where you would think that justice is not necessarily possible. But then we also try to bring a lasting impact on the local actors involved in the fight against impunity. So national prosecutors, judges, lawyers, we help them and train them with legal and investigative skills.
And thank you so much. In the current context we are living in, and as a final call to action, could you please remind our members and viewers how to contribute to TRIAL International?
Yeah, well, one really immediate way to help us is in our fight against impunity in Ukraine right now. We can't wait 10 years to have justice. And so we've set up an initiative at TRIAL with other partners to try to bring legal complaints within weeks and send a really strong message that justice can be part of the solution and have a deterrent effect. But in order to do that, we can use your help, either by participating in our crowdfunding platform or by helping us with your expertise as lawyers. For example, we're going to go before a different domestic jurisdiction where you are potentially a lawyer and could help us with filing. Or if you're a Ukrainian speaker lawyer, that can be extremely useful. If you have open source investigation team within your law firm or financial and asset tracing skills, that could also help. So if you think that looks like you can contact me and we can discuss a bit more how you can be helpful in this fight against impunity in Ukraine. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Elsa, and thank you to TRIAL International for collaborating with us in this series of short talks on human rights. And see you soon, and stay tuned with AIJA.